hazardous weather situations, broadcasters and officials participating in emergency alert systems and those with specially built weather radio receivers are automatically notified of the hazard by preceding digital code and warning alarm. Tests with the digital code and warning alarm are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 and noon. If hazardous weather threatens near the normal test time, the test is postponed to the first good weather day. The digital code and warning alarm will be activated for selected watches and warning affecting south central and southeastern Colorado. For more information on the coverage areas of our 9 transmitters,